Understanding bookish, dive into its meaning and usage. Hello, wonderful language learners. Today, we're diving into the world of English phrases, and we'll explore the term bookish. You might have come across this word in books, conversations, or movies. Let's unravel its meaning and understand how to use it properly. Bookish can be found in many English dictionaries, and generally, it has two main interpretations. 1. Devoted to reading and studying. This refers to someone who spends a lot of time reading or studying, often implying that they don't engage much in practical or outdoor activities. 2. Characterized by book learning. This refers to when knowledge or language is sourced mainly from books rather than from practical experience. In a sentence, it might look like, John has always been a bookish child, preferring novels over playing outside. Words often carry connotations, or feelings and ideas associated with them. Bookish is no exception. 1. Positive connotation. Some people view bookish as a compliment. It can suggest that a person is studious, well-read, and intellectual. 2. Negative connotation. However, it can sometimes imply that someone is overly focused on books, possibly at the expense of social or practical skills. In this sense, bookish can hint at someone being a bit nerdy or unsocial. In a sentence, it might look like, Sarah admired Paul's bookish nature, but others felt he needed to spend more time in the real world. Understanding a word's meaning is great, but knowing how to use it in context is even better. Let's see a few examples. 1. Despite her bookish appearance, she was an excellent soccer player. 2. He has a bookish way of speaking, always using big words from the novels he reads. 3. Her bedroom was filled with piles of literature, giving it a bookish charm. And there you have it. The term bookish encapsulates the world of readers, scholars, and sometimes those who might just be a little too engrossed in their books. Whether you use it to praise someone's dedication to reading or to gently suggest they embrace more of the world around them, it's a versatile term in the English language. We hope this video sheds light on its meaning and usage. Until next time, keep exploring and expanding your vocabulary.